Yeah, well, we're just getting the Ollie one.
Tommy Express, how you doing?
Good.
What kind of watch can I get, sir?
Can I just get the quality?
I got you. 1310 for you, and then would you like a receipt today?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Put that back to you, and I'll get the receipt to you in a second. And then a couple loading procedures. When you fill your tires at the belt, come to a complete stop, shift into neutral, and then wait to fill up the brake. And then once that gate goes up, you guys are all set.
All right.
Have a good day.
Yep, there we go.
What did he say about a bell? Tires hit the bell? Hit the ball. I'm not gonna lie, straight line steel's had to weld on this thing probably 3 or 4 times. This car wash from it breaking down. Just letting you know.
No idea what the car wash to break down
No. Daddy and are gonna go to Phil Theatre what we done.
for you. Well, if they don't let us, we can help clean out our Jeep.
I just got
Got some
most.
cups back there.
Hey, Hannah,
Noah, let me drive, please.
let me drive, please.
Hit the belt. That's what he said.
Wow. Whoa. Yeah, drop a phone. I like trouble phone.
I really probably should just get a membership since I work right at Harbor Freight, but
Tire shine. I like the tire shine. I mean,
What do you think, Joe?
it actually didn't do that bad of a job.
What do you think? I'm kind of liking Tommy. He's definitely better than Cliff.
I know are gonna go shoot video games.
How about we park right here and you can just watch from right here?
Watch his window.
How about that? Because you can see it right here.
Yeah.
And then we can get the floorboards. Todd and I can work